Okay, I'll start. I already started recording.
Madhav, a small request from my end.
Yeah.
Yeah, so once this class is done, will you also post this recorded class in the group?
Yeah. In grouping what's where? Like
Sorry, I didn't get you.
recording is I think it's cloud. Let me. No, it's here only. What you're asking? Like recording, I should share in group.
If it's possible, you can share in group or you can send the link of Google Drive, however it is possible for you.
Yeah, I'll share you. Just share me your mail IDs and I'll share you.
Okay, just for future reference, Madhav, nothing else. If at all we have any doubts, we can refer again, right?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. So today's topic includes like we have to go till the uh okay. Arrays, data types, identifiers, keywords, package declaration, private, protected, public, structure, and this operators and control flow. We are going to discuss. Okay, so we start from mm, Java variables. So I think all of you might be aware of variables, but let's discuss. Variable is a something container. You can see this graphic. So something is stored. Okay, so that is called as like we are in mathematics. We are doing x equal to 10, y equal to 5, z equal to whatever. So it is in computer Java. It is stored as memory location where we are storing local instance or static variable. So there are types also. If you want to write, you can also note down just what I am saying. Exact point: local instance and static. So there are two types of data types in Java, primitive and non-primitive. So where variable, which means its values can be changed, reserved area. Name of the memory location. So local variable, instance variable, and static. Three types of variables you can see. So what is local variable? A variable declared inside a body of the method is called local variable. You can use this variable only within that method. Suppose we are going to learn method like in Java. So and the other method is a class or an event where this variable exists. Local variable cannot be defined with static variable. Just remember, like we are going to learn static, but local. If they ask you difference between local variable and static variable, local variable cannot be defined with the static keyword. Instance variable. A variable declared inside the class but outside the body of the method, it is called as instance variable. It is not declared as static. Variable declared inside the class but outside the body of the method. which is called as instance variable. It is not declared as static. It is called an instance variable because its value is instance specific and is not shared among instance. It is called an instance variable because its value is instance specific and is not shared among instances. Then comes static variable. A variable that is declared as static is called static variable. It cannot be local. You can create a single copy of the static variable and share it among all the instances of the class. Memory allocation for static variable happens only once when the class is loaded in the memory. That is a difference you can note down. You can create single copy of static variable and share it among all instance classes. You can see it is declared outside the body of the method. So we'll see the example directly. So this is one class. This is static variable. This is method. This is our driver class, like sorry, driver program where we are just writing in data equal to 50, and this is end of the class. So this is called a static variable. You can see here static variable. This is local variable and this is instance variable. It is defined here only. This is defined within the function itself. So okay, we will see how to add two numbers. Okay, we want to add two numbers. So we have defined a equal to 10, b equal to c 10, c equal to a plus b. And if we execute, it is executing, it will give us the result. So accordingly, you can do here int b equal to a minus b, int e equal to a multiplied by b, int a divided by b. So if you execute here, just we have to define here e, e and f. Okay, so you will get results accordingly here. Okay, widening public like this is float we have already assigned. So if you print a and if you print a f, so what we are doing here, so this is a is assigned with the f value, we are printing a value and we are printing f. So f is coming here, f. So it is printed as floating value and this is printed as integer value. Narrowing or typecasting. Like you cannot convert float to integer. So it will give you error. Suppose you have defined some values as float. So if you execute this value, something f is there. So from bigger data type to smaller is not possible, but smaller to bigger is possible. So if you execute it, it will give you. I think I just need to refresh. Sorry, yeah, it is converted to integer 10.5 f, and if you have given this one, so it is converted to here only. So now I am showing overflow. Int a, here what happens basically, we have taken floating values and we have converted typecast. Whatever the variable you just want to convert, you have to open the bracket and you have to put that data type. And it is getting converted to integer, and then we are printing the this value, and then we are printing the a value. Then comes overflow. Int a equal to 130, b equal to byte this is, and we are doing it. Byte a. So what happens? It is converted to, we are converting to a to byte b. So it is giving this value. Lower type a equal to 10, b equal to 10. Compile time error because a plus b equal to 20 will be integer. Okay, this is just type. What do you mean by typecasting? You understood typecasting? Rahul Swankat. Any question here?
No, no.
No.
So we'll go with the data types in Java now. Data types. There are 8 types of primitive data types. Like 8 types of primitive data types in Java. Primitive, just note down also this. Like you can take a manual notes. Like you can have a remembrance later. You don't need to go for reading every time. So if you want to note down exact point, primitive data types and non-primitive data types includes boolean, character, byte, short, integer, long, float, and double. You can see boolean, character, byte, short, integer, long, float, and double. And non-primitive data types, classes, interfaces, and arrays. So non-primitive, what includes classes? If you see class, writing class, so you have in your mind that it is a non-primitive. Interfaces, that also you have non-primitive data types. Arrays also you should have non-primitive data types. Primitive data types includes boolean, char, byte, short, integer, long, float, and double. So Java primitive data types or Java language primitive data types are the building blocks of the data manipulation. These are the most basic data types available in Java language. So if we go for the boolean data type, byte data type, character, short, int, long, float, and double data type. So data type we have is primitive and non-primitive. Boolean, you can say Boolean data type, character is char, this integral, byte, short, int, long. This is floating, float, double, not really string, array, this one. Boolean values is false, characters, data type and size. Like in memory, it is storing as 1 bit. This is 2 bit, 2 byte. This is 1 byte. This is also 2 byte. This is 4 byte. This is 8 byte, 4 byte, and 8 byte. Boolean gives you value true or false. Just remember true or false. Two possible values. We have a true or false. Byte data type. It has 8-bit signs, 2 complementary integer. The values lie between, just also remember, minus 128 to 127. It is used to save memory in large arrays when there is memory saving is not required. It saves space because a byte is 4 times smaller than an integer. It can also be used to place of data type. Short data type, which is important, I'll tell you. Short is also mostly not used. Short, even 32-bit signs to complement integer lies between this much value you can store. You can see exact value minus 2 raised to 31 to 2 raised to 31 minus 1. So this much of this value is, its minimum value is this much and maximum value is this much. Default value is 0. Int a equal to b equal to. Long is longer than data. You can see its value is this much and this value. It's a 64-bit 2's complement. Float data type. It is also 32-bit. IEEE is a standard. If you come to know IEEE, what is IEEE? It's a standard. It is recommended to use a float if you need to save memory in large arrays floating point numbers. The float data type should never be used for precise values such as currency. Its default value is 0. What is the default value? If your question is interview, what is the default value as float data type? Just give a 0.0f. Float f1 equal to this one value. Double data type. It's a higher end than float. It is 64-bit floating point number. The double data type is generally used for decimal values, just like float. The double data type also should never be used for precise values such as currency. Its default value is 0.0. Its default value is 0.0. Character data type. The character data type is a single 16-bit Unicode character. Its value range lies between this much to this much. The character data type is used for store characters. Store characters. Char later equal to this. Now we have a Unicode system. It's a universal international standard character encoding. Just remember, universal. Like if you are in USA or if you are in Australia, if you are in Brazil or if you are in Japan. So this system will be universally accepted. Like you are doing Java coding. Universal international standard character encoding that is capable of representing most of the world's written languages. Why Java uses Unicode system? Java, why it is using Unicode? ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Intelligence for the United States, Western European language, and this is for Russian KOI 8, and this is for Chinese. Okay, we will mostly go with the ASCII value. You might have learned in C and C++. Are you getting Pujita and Rahul? Any question? Just type in chat yes or no. Okay, Pujita, are you there? Okay. So we C and C++, you also gone through you because you already learned C, C++, ASCII value would be there. Like for particular values, it's American Standard Information Intelligence, it is given. So you can also go for here, ASCII table. So you can see this is ASCII value. 48 to 57 is used for numbers. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 97, where is 97? Okay. 97 to 122, it is used for smaller A to Z. Okay. And capital A to 65 to, I think it's 90. It's for capital Z. On space, it is 32. Space, you can see nothing. So it is space. Okay. Next, we start basics, practical parts. Okay. Operators in Java. This, okay. There are lots of operators. Suppose in your keyword, you can see plus, minus, multiplication, division, and slash. So unary operator, arithmetic operator, shift operator, relational operator, bitwise operator, logical operator, ternary operator, assignment operator. Unary, postfix, prefix, arithmetic, multiplicative, additive, multiplication, slash, percentage, plus, minus, shift, decimal, relational, equity, bitwise, logical, ternary. Java unary operator. The Java unary operator requires only one operand. Unary operators are used to perform various operators, incrementing, decrement a value by one, negating by expression, and inverting the value of a boolean. Java unary operator example is plus plus and minus minus. So you can see here, this is okay. If we say this here, okay. So suppose we have this value, int x equal to 10, this much, this value, and this value. So if we are doing x plus plus, so its value get Next, it is incremented by 1. So it will give its value 1 plus x. So it is previous value is 11. So it is giving so value as 12 minus. Now its value is 12. So now it is coming to 11 minus x. So its value get decrement to 10. Okay. So it was previously 11. Now it gives value as 10. If we change here as value as 40. So now tell me the output. Just type in chat the output. Rahul and Pujita, just type a output here.
For the first one, it's 41.
Just type
For the
chat.
okay.
Just check again, Rahul. I think your answer would not match. Is it right? Okay, let me execute. 40, 42, 42, 40. You are given 41. Why you are given this answer? See, initially, if you see previously, if see the previous answer. See, initially x value is 10. It will print 10, but it is incremented later. Its value is now exactly in. After printing, it is getting incremented. So now x value is 11. So if you do plus, it will give 11 incremented. It gives 12 value. Now 12 we are doing minus 1. So it is first value is 12, then it will increment. So it is giving 12. Now 11. If it is previously, then it will do first, then it will print. But here what happens? Like it will print first, then it will increment. Are you getting, Rahul? Or no? Rahul, Pujita, you understood what I'm saying? Here it will print first, then it will increment. So incremental value is coming here. Now in this case, this is previously. So everything is done first and it is printing also done here. But in post part, the values get stored. But in pre part, it is pre is also done and this is also done. You understood? Rahul, are you there? Pujita? Okay. So see, you have done a in mistake. So today's also one task I am giving you. Increment and B write a code, write a code for this. This is one part. Now plus plus and minus minus. Okay, so we have an exercise for this. A plus 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 A, B plus 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 B plus plus. So A equal to 10. So A is 10. So it is first value is 10. So we are just, I'm writing here 10 plus and plus plus A. So now its values become 11. So plus plus 11, it will come here as 12. You can see here 10 plus 12. B plus plus. So B value is 10. So initially it value will be 10. But after increment, it value has become 11. So we are here doing 11. So it will come here 11, but 12, it will become later. So this is the scenario here. So if you execute this, you will get this value. Okay. So this is also second exercise. Just note down. Tilde and exclamation is not arithmetic operations. Now, this is already I showed you a calculator. This is called as calculator program. Suppose you want to do addition, multiplication, division, and modulo. So a modulo 2, it is give us the value of this much. So you can see here 10 plus 5, 15, 10 minus 5, 5, 10 multiplied by 5, 50, 10 divided by 5, 2, and 10 modulo this is giving us value as 0. Okay. Java arithmetic operators. So the third task, third code, just note down also. Expression. So operator example main string here is 10 into 10 divided by 5 plus 3 minus 1 into 4 divided by 2. This is giving us value as 21. Left shift operator, that is also not. Right shift is also, we are not. Logical add and bitwise. Now comes ternary operator. Is used as online. It is just giving us true or false value. And not in Java. It is the only conditional operator which takes 3 operands. So if we see ternary operator, so A equal to 2, B equal to 5. So 2 less than 5, yes or no. So if it is true, 2 less than 5. So you can see here 2 less than 5. Yes, it is 5. So it is giving us value here. So suppose I am giving as 40. 40 less than 5. No. So it is giving the value as 5. You understood ternary operator? It is a question mark. Any question in ternary operator understanding? This is question mark example. You can see here question mark and you are doing this well. Rahul, any question in understanding ternary operator? Pujita? Okay, I'll just assignment operator, equal to operator. Java assignment operator is one of the most common operator. It is used to assign the value on its right to the operand on its left. Operator example. So A equal to 10, B equal to 20, A plus equal to 4, B equal to minus 4, system dot order println and B. You can see here. So if we execute this, you can see here it is 14 and it is 16. A equal to 10, A plus equal to 4, B minus 1 equal to 4, and it is coming as this one. So equal to is assignments value. What we are doing, assignment value. A plus equal to 4, B minus equal to 4, and it is giving us the value. Adding short. Public class operator example short A equal to 10, B equal to 10, A equal to A plus B, and this is 3. So it is showing us compile time error. A plus equal to 3, A minus, so A plus, it is giving this value, A equal to 10, A plus equal to 3. Okay. Adding short, A equal to 10, B equal to 10, A equal to A plus B, system dot out on printer and A. Okay. Adding short, it is giving us this value. These are short values, so we just need to convert it to INT. So Java keywords. Every language has its own sort of predefined keywords. Like Java also it has keywords. Uh, just for information, if meeting gets closed, just connect again. If our meeting gets closed, just connect again. Java keywords are also known as reserved words. Keywords are particular words that act as a key to code. These are predefined words by Java, so they cannot be used as variable or project name. Abstract, boolean, break, byte, case, catch, char, class, continue, default, do, double, else, enum, extends, final, finally, float, for, if, implements, import, instance of, int, interface, long, native, new, null, package, private, protected, public, return, short, statics, super, switch, synchronize this, throw, transient, try, void, volatile, and white. 48 keywords we have. Just remember these are called as reserved words in Java. What is this called as? Reserved. Remember this word, reserved words in Java. So list of Java keywords with abstract, boolean. Abstract keyword is used to declare an abstract class. An abstract class can provide the implementation of the interface. It can have abstract and non-abstract methods. Boolean. Java Boolean keyword is used to declare a variable as a Boolean type. It can hold true and false values only. It can hold true and false values also only. Break. Java break keyword is used to break the loop or switch statement. It breaks the current flow of the program at specified condition. Break keyword. Java byte keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold 8-bit data values. Java case keyword is used with the switch statement to mark blocks of text. Java catch keyword is used to catch the current exception generated by try statement. It must be used after the try block only. Catch and char. Java char keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold unsigned 16 word, and class is a declare a class. Java continue keyword is used to continue the loop. It continues the current flow of the program and skips the remaining code at the specified condition. The Java default keyword is used to specify the default block. Do, double, else, enum, extends. It comes in inheritance. Class is derived from superclass and child class comes topic. Then I'll tell you what is extends.